gonna take this video of this duck. It's a fucking whole flock of pintails sitting in here in the snow. And I'm gonna see if I can walk up to her and catch her. Because she definitely doesn't want to fly. Hi, sweetheart. Wow, I can catch this wild pintail. I'll be damned. It's okay. It's okay. There she goes. Wow, this is freaky. The second time I've been attacked by ducks up here. They're definitely all out of whack. Poor girl. Yeah, there's 2 or 3 more. Little green winged teal. Wow. Come on, you guys. I just don't want to fly in this crap. Duck crossing. Rack, rack. Come on, you guys. Shit, there's 3 or 4 more sitting up here in the trail. Come on, guys. Jeez, there's more sitting there. Little green wing. A damn hen pintail. Off the trail, you two. Come on, damn it. Okay, good. Where the hell did you go? There's a the Drake pintail just sat down. Man, they just don't want to fly in this weather. There they are. There's a couple silly ducks. Let's see how. I don't know. They might let me get. Couple Drake pintails. That is wild. All right, you guys. Come on, dude, move. Like something there. Come on, man. There you go. Just move and I'll leave and you guys can get eaten by freaking bobcats and shit. You guys are killing me. Oh God. I feel like I'm on Farmer John's farm. What happens if I do this? Come on, you guys. Alright, I gotta go shoo the ducks. Duck season's over. I have duck dinner. Alright, you guys. Oh, wow. That's wild.